Okay, so first you're gonna remove this from the filter using this handy dandy thing. And so that will come out. And then you have to slowly chip away at this gauge gasket here. I already got it started. So then we're gonna keep pulling it bit by bit. And newer ones come out pretty easily, but the older they are, the harder and it's gonna be. And if it breaks off in bits like this, that's okay. And it takes time, but just be patient and it will come out, just slowly. And as you can see, our scrub is kind of shot, so I'm going to do what I can to clean that out completely. Oh. And then I'm also going to get a rag and shove that in there to make sure that I've gotten everything completely out and that it is spotless for the new gauge gasket and filter that will be going in. Alright, so then you're going to add lubricant to the outside. I'm just using my finger, and it's just going to be a very thin layer, and it's food safe, so we're good to go there. I'm going to add it all over the outside of this. This is just going to help with the seal. This is going to help it last longer. Alright. And now, the side that you're going to want to do, I'll hold it closer, but there's an indent here that needs to go up. The flat, smooth part is going to be facing down, and it'll help us get that really nice seal. So we're going to go ahead, push it up in there. Alright, so we have it up in there. I'm just going to use the screwdriver to make sure that we have it nice and in place. There's no cracks. It's very firm. And then I'm just going to take a paper towel and wipe away any extra lubricant that would just be in the way. Alright, and then we're going to get our new screen or filter, and we're not always going to have a brand new one, so it needs to be pulled out before you start to do the the gauge gasket, the ring, or else that can get damaged when you're trying to pick out the old one. Alright, so we've got our new filter in there. Nice and tight. And should be all good to go. Really quick, I am going to double check that it does seal. Oh, and it has a nice, firm, tight seal. So we're good to go, and we're all done.